How to delete Tubi TV account permanently. So if you want to delete Tubi TV account permanently, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now in the search bar you have to search for Tubi, and after searching click on the first search which says tubitv.com, and now make sure to log into your account. And after logging in, you can go to the upper right corner which has your username. So you can simply click on account settings, and now here you will have your all account settings. You can simply change your password from here, and if you scroll all the way down you will find delete my account option. So if you want to delete your account, then simply click on delete account, and here you have to enter the reason why you are leaving your account. But if you want to skip this part, then you can also skip it. So here you have to enter your password to delete your account, so make sure to enter a correct password. And after entering your password you can simply click on delete, and that's it. That's how you delete your Tubi TV account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.